This is a Draft Droid. This is for beginner tools. Beginner tools, you only need cardboard, cutter knife, pen knife, and wire strapper. I think this is when we do the frame cutter. You can use this one. It's more like you can see here. If I try to open it, you can see here it's have angle. With this angle, the frame is gonna it won't break out from the use of wire cutter. The wire cutter used to be long. This is is a little bit bent out, so it's good to cut the frame without injured Gundam frame. So it's good to go. It's not sure now or maybe tomorrow. Yes, this is my tools. This is the only tools that I have for the beginner for now. Okay, peace.